It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas here in the middle of fall. All right, everyone, listen, get your holiday hats on. As you know, the holidays are sneaking up on us and it's coming quick. So already, we've got a few pieces for your holiday parties, your holiday festivities this year. We have got a couple selections here. You've got to get yourselves ready. Get ready. I've got these stunning pieces in two color choices, in holiday red or Grinch green. Are you a festive holiday red, or are you more of a Grinch green kind of gal? Let's take a closer look. Let's look. Look at it. Look at it. So get with me. These will be in my Etsy shop under the holiday section. I may add a few more pieces as we get closer to the holidays. But for now, let me know if you want these in your stocking. You've got to let me know. Okay, so there you go. Made to order just for you. Grinch green, holiday red. Till next time, love, hugs, kisses. Bye-bye.